have to solve this integral into using not substitution but rather identity. Rather identity is sine 2x is equal to 2x sine x cos x, or simply we have to divide this by 2 to get this term right here. So we will leave by sine 2x over 2, and we will solve this one sine cos cube x. So simply we can write this one into cos squared x plus x. So integral of cos squared x times cos x over 1 minus sine x. Just as we write earlier, we can write this one into 1 minus sine squared x times cos x over 1 minus sine x. You can also write this term into two different equations or two different terms simply using squares. So 1 plus sine x 1 minus sine x times cos x over 1 minus sine x. So we can cancel out this term, giving us 1 plus sine x times cos x. So we have now the final integral of integration term of 1 plus sine x times cos x. So by simply distribution method, we'll arrive at integral of cos x plus cos x sine x dx. Now we can separate this to integral, so we can solve it easier. So simply we can separate these two terms. Separate these two terms. Simply this cos x is sine x. Now we have to solve this one using the identity given above by sine 2x over 2 is equal to sine x cos x. So we'll just erase this part. So you have to solve cos x sine x dx using the identity above. So simply sine x cos x is equal to sine 2x over 2. So we can write this one into integral of sine 2x over 2. Now we can take up this 1/2, so we'll leave sine 2x. Now integral of sine 2x dx. U is equal to 2x. Have to take out the derivative of u, leaving us du is equal to dx. So we have to divide this again by 1/2, leaving us the final integration of 1/4 times the integration of integral of sine u, which is 1/4. Sine u is simply cos u 1/4 cos u. Now we have to write back our u, which is 1/4 times u is cos 2x. 1/4 cos 2x. So our answer now will be sine x plus 1/4 cos 2x plus c. This will be our final answer. However, we can still simplify this cos 2x if we want to, or we can write this cos 2x into another identity. Let me just erase this term. Okay, so our answer earlier is sine x plus 1/4 cos 2x. Right? 1/4 cos 2x. Sorry, it is not 1/4 cos 2x, rather negative 1/4 cos 2x. This is our final answer earlier, since the derivative of the derivative of no, not the derivative, rather the integral of simply the integral of sine is negative cos u, so that should be negative 1/4 cos 2x. So cos 2x is actually cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. 2 sine squared x. So we can write this term into 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So we leave by sine x minus 1/4 multiplied by, since our cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2x 2 sine squared x. So 1 minus 2 sine squared x plus c. This is our final answer. So by distribution, we can simply write this as negative 1/4 plus 2 sine squared x over 4, or simply sine squared x over 2. So write our answer into negative 1/4 plus sine squared x over 2 plus c. However, we all know that 1/4 is a constant and c is also a constant. So if we add both constant, it will leave us into simply constant as well. So you can simply write this one as plus c. Simply write this one as plus c. Or our final answer should be sine x plus sine squared x over 2 plus c. So we have same answer throughout any other ways to solve this equation, this integral cos cube x over 1 minus sine x. Using 3 different methods, we arrive at same answer, sine x plus sine squared x over 2 plus c.